Okay. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Say loudly, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How the Josh? Hi, sir. You can at least reply, hi, sir. How the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Now we are together here to talk, to start very energetic topic, which is my daily routine. So daily routine is very simple, guys. And do you know that, right? Am I right or not? Do you know that most of the childrens, even most of the employer, whomever actually belong from government sector, literally their routine life is very different than us actually. But the main basic thing of our life is daily routine of ourselves is very simple actually. But if we will take the example of some government sector, if there were some employer in government sector, literally we can't imagine that how exactly their routine life. Understood? Means sometime if they got the call from their head office, literally anyhow they will have to go to help them, right or not? Even anyhow to they have to stand for the duty, even for their personal work actually, right or not? Regarding the India, even regarding to their government issue actually, right or not? But according to me, if you are just taking the example of our own daily routine, literally our own daily routine is very simple actually than these people. Why I just telling you? Because the example of our mom dad is also very their daily routine is also very different actually. Means they will get up early morning before us actually, right or not? Why? Because she just want to make the tiffin for us actually. Therefore, even our father also big priority to get up early morning, and he actually work up himself actually at his farm and that way somewhere, right or not? Even including ourselves. Let me tell you the daily routine of myself actually. Whenever I get up early morning, literally after getting I get ready to come at the class to teach everyone actually. Means exactly at 7 o'clock I ready to come at the class, and I teach to student, whomever as a speaking student, even whomever as a theory student, whomever as a basic student. I literally teach to them actually. Even I am very luckiest actually because still the journey of my teacher actually with me. Understood? That's why sometimes I just getting the big support from the all teachers actually. Okay, that's why sometimes I really proud them too much because sometimes they help me actually too much, no, in teaching actually. Therefore, even I would like to tell that whenever I'm in mood to teach to any theory section, even basic section, even speaking section, no, literally till end of 11 o'clock I ready to teach everyone. After finishing the teaching, even after finishing the communication with everyone, I get ready to go to the civil hospital exactly at 11:30 actually. Why? The purpose of myself to go at hospital. Some JNM, even JNM girls boys is also there actually in civil hospital. I always go there to teach them actually. Why? Because their batch is also in speaking section actually. Understood? So one hall is there in front of the civil hospital, so I always go there to teach them actually. Even I would also like to tell you that one more important things about the daily routine. After finishing the teaching of school of this civil hospital, I get back ready. I get back from this session actually exactly at 12:30, and at 12:30 I lunch with my sweet family. After lunch, before 1 o'clock, even 1:30 o'clock I ready to come back at the class to teach everyone actually. Understood? Then 1:30 to 1:30 up to 6 o'clock I continuously teach. Even I continuously in mood of teaching actually to everyone. Then till 6 o'clock I teach to everyone. Exactly at the 7 o'clock I ready to go back at home, and then I just scroll mobile. Even I just go to ground actually, and after going the ground I come back from ground. Why the purpose of myself to go into ground actually, healthy should be there actually. Means suppose if you just spending time on your health, so this will very better for you actually, right or not? So after spending the time, literally if you going somewhere for exercise, even for your beneficial, so at least workout should be done actually, right? If you are in mood to workout, then if you will get up early morning now, then properly from morning till evening full of energy, you never ever feel that laziness. Why? Because of exercise only. Understood? And continuously in your mind actually energy it is, especially to talk with your friend and all things. Understood? Also I would like to tell, after finishing the exercise I come back from this ground exactly at 8:30 or 9:30, and after coming I take the online session. Actually at last time many online batch was there, but some student got the certificate of speaking. Actually only one student is there who is belong from Nasik actually. So with that I take the all student of the Mungses also. Am I right or not, everyone? After taking, means since 3-5 days I taking the class of your actually. Why? Because sometimes their oral, even One day I go actually they enter in speaking section, so I continuously taking their batch also in online section. Understood? Why? Because whatever queries will be there, so at least they will able to show their query and they will able to solve the all queries actually, right or not? By cell phone or by conference actually. Understood? And then after exactly at 11 even 11:30, I get fresh, and then after I dinner with my sweet family. Most of the time my family actually shout too much. Why? Because sometimes I get late exactly at 11 o'clock. No, therefore, right? And then after at the 12 o'clock we ready to sleep. Understood? Then same early morning I get up, and then after that's all about the daily routine actually. Understood? So now let's start the session without getting late. So first of all, let's start the session. I would like to call that Rashi sister, who actually has a senior than everyone. So please, before start her session, big applause for her, please. Now I would like to call Rashi, please.
Good afternoon everyone, it's me Rashi front of you. My today's topic are social media good or bad. So according to me, social media is good as well as bad. I use social media for good use. Some people are use social media for bad. They scroll reels and they waste their time. We use social media for watch educational purpose and motivational reels. We improve our business with the help of social media, and we try to social media watch for little bit. I don't have more much about social media because I don't use social media. Thanks for being with me.
Okay, we have a sister. Sister, I just want to tell you one thing, that if you are not interested to use the social media, right?
Yes.
So how you will get the extra study material? How you will get the extraordinary? Suppose nowadays modernization living is there, right or not? Suppose what exactly happening in our India? So how we will come to know? Or you will continuously watch the television? I think without television also we will get the notification what's going on or what's not going on, right or not? Only because of social media. So how can you say I am not interested because I don't have much knowledge of social media? Charging is so less actually, please finish it fast. What you are asking me to answer. Are you getting a point?
What?
Okay, you are not interested to use social media, right? Why? This is very bad things for us, or this is not the age of, this is not the proper age to use social media.
This is not proper age to use
But the example of your bestie, she also have the cell phone since last many years, right or not?
Yeah.
So how she using it? Or she using very bad things? Up to
No.
us actually, what to do or what not to do, right or not? Means if your mind is totally in social media, without study, and your father actually telling you, hello beta, please bring out the glass of water and all things. But if your mind is in social media, and if you are not working of your family, then literally your father, your mom will shout you too much actually, right or not?
Right.
Why? Because you are full of energy, your mind is totally in mobile, therefore. Okay. Yes, anyone want to ask, please ask me that. Ask me. You will